Gonna show you something that maybe not a lot of you guys know that we do here at Tiki Reptiles. One of our newer projects, that is the captive breeding of the Nephrurus species, also known as the knobtail geckos. This is a Wheeleri knobtail gecko, and the knob, you can see, is just a little tiny knob at the end of the tail. This is an adult female. They lay 2 eggs per clutch, anywhere between 4 to 8 times a year, depending upon the female. Hard to believe that with all the chameleons that we do that spit out such tiny eggs relative to body size, these geckos, you can see the 2 eggs that she just laid, this is her laying bin, come out of a gecko that is, you know, for the most part, quite tiny. Very neat little gecko. So she just laid her eggs in her dampened sand nest box. Time to put her into her, so you can get a size form. Time to put her back into her home. You take these eggs and put them in a hatch-right container. Put her back. I gotta candle the eggs. See, and they dig a hole. You can see in there, they dig a hole and they lay these. It's quite neat. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but you candle the egg and you gotta find the pink spot, which is the embryo. There it is. See it? There you go. That's the top of the egg. So, and that also means it's fertile. You mark that. And you place that face up into the hatch right. You do the same thing. Keep on spinning it till you find the embryo, which is right here. See, oops, bad camera work, sorry. And it's right there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. You'll just have to take my word for it. Mark that. And into the hatch right it goes. About 6 weeks later, you get some of these little tiny Wheeleri babies. Should be some more in here. These are from 2 different clutches. Real nice dark phase. These ones are a lot lighter. This one actually has a neat band, almost like a saddle. Probably gonna keep all of these. Something neat that you didn't know that we did over here at Tiki Reptiles.